Guys, I'm out here working on a newer Camaro Super Sport, and the lifters went out in it. I'm gonna do a video, guys, on putting a new set of lifters in it and putting a camshaft in it, so that when we put this thing back together, it can be chopping some. So let me show y'all what all I got done so far on it, and if anybody ever decides to do one, what they have to take a loose and what they got to do to put a cam in it and put lifters in it. Okay, guys, I pretty much started the video a little bit later, but I got it tore down already. But what you have to do is take your manifolds loose on both sides. Of course, the intake's got to come off. A lot of work, but it can be done. But yeah, you take your manifolds loose, and your head valve covers, push rods, rock armors, and all that's got to come off. Intake's got to come off, and then it probably wouldn't be so bad if you was just like putting lifters back in it. But if you want to put a cam in it for it to chop, you got to do a little bit extra more work. And when I say extra more work, you got to go here and take all the front accessories off, water pump, balancer, and all that. And then it gets you down here to the camshaft. And so you can, but first thing you want to do is make sure you put it in time. And how you put this thing in time is you got a dot. That oil's in the way, but you got a dot here, and you got a dot on the balancer down here. You can't really see it real good, but them two dots has got to line up with one another this way, and then that way you know it's got it in time. And another thing too is you want to look right here and make sure that piston's to the top, and then that'll be 1, 3, 5, 7 on this side, and then 2, 4, 6, 8 on this side. So always make sure when you put it in time here at the front, you make sure your number one piston is to the top here. That way you know you have it in time. That's the second way of making sure that it's in time right. So next thing, what you want to do is take that bolt there out of the center, and then you're going to put a 3-bolt camshaft back in here. And then you got to make sure you got a 3-bolt timing gear to go back in here. So then the next thing you got to do is take the radiator out of it, the fans out of it, and then you got to come here to the front of the motor, and then you got your air conditioning condenser. And then I'm gonna try to maybe maneuver it and maybe get it up out of the way so I can get the cam to slide out of it. But if you can't, you have to take the AC lines loose and let all your Freon leak out, and have to get your AC gas back up after I get to putting the cam back in it. So, but we're gonna try to get this cam out of here now and get the new cam slid in there. So next, what you have to do is take these 4 bolts here out, and then the cam slides out this way. So. Okay, guys, I got all the front of the motor back together. Got the new camshaft in it. I just put a Sloopy Stage 2 in it with new BTR lifters, Brian Tooley lifters, hydraulic LS7 lifters, and Sloopy Stage 2, and I got it all the way back together, the front end. And I'm over here in here doing the heads now. So let me show you what I do on the heads. All right. You can buy yourself one of these valve spring tools, guys. And I do my own heads. And what I do is I take, let me set this light's causing that flash. Yeah. So what I do is I take all my valves out, flip them over, I clean them up, and I take all my valves out and clean them, clean the back sides of them and all the way around them, and I do each one of them. And then I clean in my valve pockets, and then I come back and I put the new valve seals on them. And then your springs, you can sometimes when you order a spring kit, you can look at your springs, and if they're taller than the factory spring, they should be taller than the factory spring. and then that way it compensates with a lobe on the camshaft being bigger. So yeah, I wanted to show you all that before I put the heads back together. So in the meantime, I'm putting the new springs back on them. So let's get them together. Okay guys, I got this SS Camaro finished up, and like I said, I didn't put too big a camshaft in it because I know he's going to be driving on a daily basis, and he was trying to maybe get by without having to get it tuned. So I just put a Sloopy Stage 2 in it. That's like 530 straight across, and but got through with it, and just want to show you all the results and how it sounds. All right guys, I got this thing all the way back together. Until the cam's in, because you can see the motor shaking a little bit. A lot of work though to put a cam in this thing, man. A lot of work. But I got it done, so. If y'all can kind of hear the cam a little bit in it. Guys, make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. I hope this video helps somebody maybe in the future that decides to put a cam in their SS Camaro. See y'all on the next one.